First, let me congratulate you on finishing your square. This is square number 1. And before we start the border, we're just gonna sit back and we're gonna enjoy our square. We're gonna ooh and we're gonna ah and we're gonna pat ourselves on the back and we're gonna enjoy the moment. Wonderful, wonderful accomplishment. Now we're ready to start our border. And a border is simply a single crochet around the entire square to finish it off. Now the single crochets are easy to do on the ends, the top and the bottom, because the stitches are clearly defined. Along the sides, it's not quite so clear. But what we're going to do is 25 stitches, and then we do 3 in the corner. Then we do 25 stitches and 3 single crochets in the corner, 25 more single crochets, 3 in the corner and around. So we're going to, when we start down this side, we want to, since we're going to do 25, we want to figure about halfway. This is about halfway. So we're going to use these little stitch markers that you've purchased. And let me find the halfway point. That would be right about there. So that's halfway. And it helps you gauge your stitches. So we want to do about 12 stitches there and 12 stitches there. So we start. We finished that last row and we turn and we're going to try to do 12 stitches across here. And they do not have to be exact, but I'm going to start in the first and I'm going to do 1, 2, and if I see that I might need to skip ahead a little bit, 3, kind of gauge your spacing, 4, and you can see that there isn't a clear-cut hold necessarily. Sometimes there is. 5, 6. So I've done 6 there. I'm going to probably do 6 more, and I'm going to get all the way to the end. And when I get to this end, I'm going to find the very corner, which will be right about there, and I'm going to do 25 here, and then I'll do 3 single crochets. Then I will turn it, and I will start doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way over till I've done 25 stitches here, and then I'll do 3 in this corner and on around until I've completed the border. And when you get to the end and you do your last 3 crochets in the corner, you just finish it off. You do yarn over and you pull through without doing a single crochet. Just yarn over and pull it on through, cut it off, and then you'll end up with a tag like this. This is the second square, and I've already put my border around this square. You can see the single crochets all the way around. And so I have 2 ends, and I just pulled it through, and here is square number 1 and square number 2.